Baking Technician for Class 9. Unit 2. Preparation and Maintenance of Work Area and Machineries. Session 1. Personal Hygiene, Cleanliness and Sanitation. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9th, Unit 2, Preparation and Maintenance of Work Area and Machineries. In this video, you will learn about personal hygiene, cleanliness and sanitation. A baking technician has to follow certain norms for hygienic handling of the raw material and the final product. There is a slight difference between personal hygiene and personal cleanliness. Personal cleanliness refers to the cleanliness of a person's body and habits, whereas personal hygiene is a calculated approach of that person to maintain their personal cleanliness as well as the cleanliness of the surroundings. It can be said that personal cleanliness is a part of hygiene procedure. Maintaining personal hygiene and sanitation becomes the responsibility of every individual working in the bakery unit. It is because individuals working in a bakery come into contact with a variety of raw materials and final products. And because of this, raw materials and final products are susceptible to the contamination from the working personnel in the bakery. For maintaining the personal hygiene in a bakery unit, 3 points has to be followed, which are: first, maintaining the health status of the workers; second, maintaining the personal cleanliness of the workers; and third, developing the desirable personal etiquettes in the workers. In maintaining the health status of the workers, under this, regular medical checkups of workers have to be done, checking if workers are free from coughing, diarrhea, infections or discharges of any type. In maintaining the personal cleanliness of the workers, under this, the worker has to take regular bath, wear a clean uniform, cover the cuts or wounds by waterproof dressing, wash their hands after using the toilet, wash their hands after handling the raw food items, wash their hands after disposing of the waste. In developing the desirable personal etiquettes in the workers, in this, the worker has to develop the attitude for no smoking, no spitting or chewing things in the bakery. Develop the attitude of no sneezing or coughing over the uncovered food in the bakery. Avoid wearing the jewelry, watches, pins or other items when working in the bakery. Let us now understand about the various personal protective equipment used by personnel in the bakery. The bakery worker has to take the help of various personal protective equipment to carry out the work safely. The uniform of the baking technician consists of coat, aprons, trousers, chef cap, gloves and safety boots. The uniform of the chef helps in preventing contamination of food products from daily use clothes to the bakery. The uniform also protects the bakery worker from possible injuries due to electrical hazards, heat or chemicals. Basic clothing required while working in a bakery includes: first, chef's cap. This is designed to hold the wearer's hair and stop the possibility of hair falling in the food. Chef's cap is also known as toque blanche. Toque refers to any brimless hat and blanche is a French word for white. Student, it is interesting to note that chef's hat was originally designed as a tall, rippled hat called a dodin bouffon, or more commonly a toque. The dodin bouffon had 101 ripples that represent the number of ways that the chef could prepare eggs. Next is chef's coat. The design of the chef's coat prevents heat waves from the burners and ovens coming in contact with the worker. A chef's coat is double-breasted, which is used to cover heavy spills and is made from heavy cotton to insulate the worker from the heat. Next is apron. Use of apron over the chef's coat provides an extra layer of protection against hot liquids, foods, and equipment. The apron also protects the coat from getting soiled by splashes while cooking. Safety boots. Safety boots are designed to keep the bakery worker safe on slippery floors. Their soles are made from non-skid material. The boots are always worn with socks. Gloves. Gloves are made from different materials and are used for different bakery operations to protect the hands of the bakery worker. Cut-resistant gloves are used while using sharp knives, while oven gloves are used while removing the hot baking trays, pans, and molds from ovens. Vinyl gloves are used while handling hot chilies, peppers, and garlic, etc. to avoid irritation on the fingertips. Next is trousers. Loose-fitting trousers assist the bakery worker in easy movement and air circulation and help to minimize the dangers from hot spillage. Traditionally, chef pants are designed to have a black and white checked pattern. Let us now summarize what we have learned in this session. A baking technician has to follow certain norms for hygienic handling of the raw material and the final product in the bakery. For maintaining the personal hygiene in a bakery unit, 3 points has to be followed, which are: first, maintaining the health status of the workers; second, maintaining the personal cleanliness of the workers; and third, developing the desirable personal etiquettes in the workers. A bakery worker has to take the help of various personal protective equipment to carry out the work safely. The uniform of the baking technician consists of coat, apron, trouser, chef cap, gloves, and safety boots. The uniform of the chef helps in preventing contamination of food products from daily use clothes to the bakery. The uniform also protects the bakery worker from possible injuries due to electrical hazards, heat, or chemicals. So students, that is all from this session. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.